Oh, a Korean book TV fans me I talk to. Here I go on. You see a new movie here, in name RDS Pickney. RDS Pickney. So watch now. You see a movie, the epic, it's nice, and you're gonna love it. So watch now. Just make sure say yo, you watch it all the way to the end. And remember, I big up a fans about few days ago in a Nigel town. Yo, my general Neil Reed from Galleyville. Some people say Mandeville, but yo, I go and the general. More you big up yourself, big up your friends, them, big up your family. Because when you fans them book me in the street, yo, me have to show them respect. I want to motivate we make we do this. So big up Puppy Dan, big up the whole of the actress and the actor them who represent the Coloring Book TV. Big up on yourself. And big up the whole of the fans them over the whole 14 parish. Rum True World TV on the building that's on my channel. Rum Coloring Book TV, Puppy Dan the General. Rum.
Say, look girl over me, I've been a me house. Me say, from looking at bathroom in your friend come, where you see there? Eh? I look at it. Hello? Kayla? What happened here, so? Kayla, no. Kayla.
What wrong with you?
Kayla, look on the time.
So what wrong with the time?
Kayla, get up. I want to breakfast. Come, get up, Kayla. Go brush your teeth, girl. Last time me I got bathroom. I see a pan full after 4.
See, wake up, forgot buy food. You couldn't wait till I'm ready to get up.
Here.
I said, oh man, yeah.
Get up all time,
Tell me can't take care of mommy.
What you mean by say you can't take me? I will run this. Who run this? Where your granny said you come here for? Who run this? Me want the breakfast and that me say. So you go get up and you go brush your teeth and wash your face and go get me breakfast and don't me spit a ground.
I don't feel like I'm going to get a breakfast right now.
I know you're hey, listen to me. I feel breakfast, I bet you when your dirty friend them call you. You know, if what I have today, don't even try with me. Come,
I don't even know me come here so fuck up people can't sleep in a peace. I just have to tell you wake up if you go buy breakfast.
You want to bring your mouth to me? Kayla, you really want to bring your mouth to me?
I'm not bring him out here. I'm not bring him out here. Give me money, I go on business. Set the body.
Brush your teeth and
set the body. Come and tell me say in early morning you come make up if you go buy food. You couldn't want to go buy food.
I'll call your friend and do it in their bathroom.
I don't feel like they go clean you.
What please, oh, what is for me? I am have me and me have him. Alright, don't worry yourself, Kayla. From morning, the little girl. Me all go down coats, go pay fee, set it.
Come down here,
Come on, that's all. No, yeah. Hey! You ask me more?
Me what
step off, me them way there.
Mommy.
Where you mommy, boy? What happened?
Alright, make it stay.
Kayla, hear me, I say Kayla. I'm a man place this. You hear? I am gonna run this. So hear me, I say no, just go get the breakfast to me and come back. I want fried dumpling and baked bean with callaloo. That more.
Alright, so come back.
No, where you take up? Which friend? Which friend? Kiss a teeth for me.
No, never kiss me teeth.
I don't want me ears that tell me I hear.
No, me never kiss me teeth.
Make sure.
Yes, nobody cover.
Make sure. Where you take up that?
Father Dave. Yeah, morning, my father. Good morning, mommy. Pick up with yourself. My people are always left the gate open. Now, when my people are see what time I'm going. I'm going to never go water on a tax office is so long, the line so long, as I'm going to go back down there. Can't buy more. Babes! Jesus Christ. the sun. Babes,
Why?
what go on? Why you sleep off the veranda, man?
Yeah, I want to
Why,
tell you right
babes?
now.
Tired.
What to you?
You say tax is full.
Where to?
Boy, you know get you, you know?
Here again.
Me also go buy one chocolate chip, but when I go in the store, the chocolate ain't soft. And I can't get a soft chocolate, I give you a hard one.
You already know.
Babes,
Yeah.
I go work on a tax office because you're going to now do everything, fitness, insurance. When we reach back a tax office and all, the chassis number in a correspond. So I have to go back. Yeah, in a car. I have to go back. Push from buy the car. Alright, I'm tell the mother say I make everything get through today. So I have to go call him back now.
Yeah, go get to.
Because she will want to buy the car, put on the road, I can help out with him.
Yeah, go get to.
Help out me, your daughter, everybody.
She, me say, Kayla
What one, you know?
there, kill me. Kayla no manners. Wake up Kayla this morning, tell Kayla say, figure buy breakfast to me and give me attitude. I go tell me say she not ready to get up. She and her best friend did there yesterday. Them not step in the bathroom. Tell her to clean it. She said she not feel like clean it. She walk out and road like it's sorry.
Babes, let me say something to you.
Kayla don't have no manners.
I don't have no problem when Kayla friend come here, you know. But Kayla have a room around us, alright?
Right.
Why when Kayla bring her friend in our room? You know, like people sit down on my bed, you know. No, my apology, on 4 bed, you know. Because I don't know where them bottom are coming from, you know.
I don't know I'm to Kayla.
But,
Try to talk to him probably with his
babes, you see next thing, I want to tell you honest truth, you know. You know, say Father God always choose some warrior to be the leader. I don't know why. The point I say, I feel like Kayla is a good little girl and just stubborn. I don't go say, up away me in the upper and grandmother then broke him body. Thank you, my child. Come like you know what I say, granny them spoil him, so now he come
so now
here.
we can't bend the tree because me never have you any young.
Okay, tree big and now say, tree bed.
You say, you don't know how to deal with it.
Babes,
Try to
don't
talk to
give
him
up.
probably really.
Don't give up. You know, say sometimes I fed up and, I not fed up as she, you know. But sometimes I fed up and I go dirty ways them.
No,
But me know, so one of them day, one flood will come, one storm will come. I see look dirty ways and she have, it will flood out, it will wash out. So just bear with him look a bit.
May I pray for you now?
But I don't think you pray like me, sometimes you come like when you go to school as a little child and you learn to read.
Kayla stress.
I saw me and pray for him.
Kayla like kissing teeth and me and I go put up a little face.
So me can buy half it.
And I say, Mommy.
You don't know if you buy it?
Mommy.
Remember say you love chicken, you know. You don't know if you buy it?
Me not do nothing, you know. Can I say if me licking down, you probably not get up.
So we Kayla you know, babes?
Me saying go and buy breakfast to me. And you know what I just think about it, if Kayla ever know how me love him. Me love me penny you.
Babes, me know you love him and I love him too, you know, the same ways and me just not like, you know.
Me love Kayla. Kayla granny and him people and spoil him. You
Babes,
don't know how me will get him straightened.
Kayla always come like jackfruit.
Jesus Christ.
Sweet but you think.
Kayla rotten.
Eh?
He rotten.
Oh God, man. I know you Kayla rotten, you need to use
No,
bathroom.
me gonna try to. I try to sit down with him,
Babe,
call him.
get up, babe, get up, stand up, stand up. I say something to you, babe.
Right.
You know, I say, like, me and you, we live together long now, and the day when you say you want Kayla to forward, you always tell me saying bad and Easter one. I didn't really want to forward him, you know, but I love you, and I decide if you love the mother, I have to love the calf. And if Kayla come, I just like him, but I just want something of him ways him, so when I say no, we don't want to give up on Kayla.
No, we're not
Okay, so we give up on Kayla, we give up on our future and ourselves.
Right.
You like me I say?
Kayla just 17.
Yeah, my baby, so, you know, we have to talk to him when he come. Yes,
I may tell us that he will probably listen to you.
I'm going to so come here kind of hurt me. Come here put on a tax office tomorrow again.
Yeah, probably have to go early.
So I'm going to so what's doing?
Come. Kayla. Kayla, come here. Come out there, so. You see your stepfather here, so. I want me to just come put in food there, so. I want we invisible here, so. Money. Hey! I don't say you talk to him.
Hold on.
Talk to him respectfully.
Hold on.
I say, morning.
Hold on. Your Wi-Fi bill here?
every.
Hold on. Kayla, you pay Wi-Fi bill? Babes, me give money. Kayla, me go buy grocery?
What Kayla in the morning on phone?
Kayla,
Yes.
go on the song and come back again, come back.
Hey, I want you to shake it off and have honest. You see? You see? You see?
Good morning.
Morning, Kayla.
Right.
Good morning.
Why picking up a yai for? Why you tear out a yai for?
I'm going to go like them.
Yeah, you can go and go lie down. Let's go.
I'm
come in and talk to you. Here.
You know, no manners. You see it?
Babes.
We can, but where am I coming from?
No, you are one. Sweet. Stubborn and you know the manners. Or in granny bucket. What you are going on? You see fuck is in come and you say morning. You say me send him back out there so. And say go on and come back.
But he still go with attitude. He still go with attitude.
This one your son man. Me and my son you just book here. Me never was a one burner, you know. Wrong arm right. And you bear with me down. All of the water, all of the rice, all of the soup and my boy up on the 4 burner stove, you bear with me down. And you believe in me.
Right.
So we believe in her. Because just take time with her look with her.
What do you say? I feel please.
So good.
Alright.
Yes. Love me, I'm going to say, yeah.
Oh, me did call Marika for contact him. Call him auntie. He saying man come.
Marika, you call?
Yes, me call Marika.
One day Marika come like one to tell us straightforward.
Yes, Marika, we tell him and he probably will listen.
But we can only camera in your head and he come back
He
to
will
the
listen
same.
to Marika.
Alright, me and so you're.
Yeah, me a pack up them something and come back. So fast you reach.
Yes, I'm
You
going
look
now.
tired. Girl, niece. You have one niece in the house, girl. Jesus Christ, kill me.
I'll go for the
Come
ride.
here, person. Sit down.
Because I don't understand.
Marika, Kayla. Let me say Kayla. Kayla, kill me.
Kayla, kill her.
Kayla now have no manners, kissing teeth. Now no manners see stepfather and he go on with himself and he go on in most way.
So where the expectation?
What do you mean by when we did this?
No, like really and truly, you're gonna left Kayla for how much years?
What make me go like
Kayla, no, you not talk to her on phone. You not come look fear, no, and you expect say you can just run in a little girl life and feel like say you go be queen. No, listen, let me finish talk. And feel like say you go be queen when she respect. Yes, you're married. No.
Me nah say me have been no queen and you have a point. We go left Kayla, me never dare call Kayla, me in a Kayla life now. Kayla need to understand that.
Well, Kayla is a big teenage girl. And certain life where she go through, she go look on you and say, my mother never did that for me, so why am I going to respect her manners to her? I'm not going to respect
Me
her
treat
manners to her.
Kayla have everything as something comfort. The only thing Kayla now have so is manners. And first and foremost, me used to send money all the while go give mommy. Forgive Kayla, Kayla still never shot at nothing. And me used to call Kayla every day.
No.
And Kayla no want come for phone. What you mean by no?
When you feel like Pickney go on love over phone, no.
Me have to work.
So-
How did I go stay with her?
So,
Lock her up in her house.
She want to be around her, she want attention,
So,
she want to feel
okay.
her mother the love. Remember, say for we mother did that for we, you know. Remember, say no woman not left nobody within Pickney them, you know. Because it want to feel the motherly love. So all you expect, this a little Pickney will feel if you know say. Everybody have their mother when her parents, teachers, mean and granny are come. Or you think she go feel and she knows her mother live and well?
You done?
Oh, me done. You ask me
Kayla
done?
still can't feel left out because Kayla have a grandmother we are playing mother role in her life. Kayla still can't say at this and that we can stay. So Kayla choose to not have no manners.
Listen.
Look how much Pickney out the road they see their mother gone left them and never yet to return and they are respectfully to their guardian where they live with.
But she respect me never boy you.
Because probably you are tell Kayla things so Kayla agree to.
Like what? I'm just being an auntie.
Most time you auntie them to the knees.
Did a fear.
Right.
When she want somebody she wanna to cry upon, me did it. When she drop and bruise up herself and go in a hospital, me did it.
Right.
So basically I'm your mother, I know you.
Right. You know that's why I call you up to talk to you. You under my roof now. And
But
if you're not here,
you need to give her a good time.
If you're not here, me I go put him out.
So why sense that you go take him from me for?
Cause
If you know say you go put him out, why sense?
You
You
not
go
get the
take him
consent.
from?
Sis, you not get the consent.
Me not get
It's
consent.
a girl Pickney that.
And?
I don't want she come disrespect me.
Why you trying to bend the road when time you already gone, explore, gone somewhere else? You should have been the road for the liquor. Not the road big that go hard for bend. Me sorry for you.
If this a bit for me, you could do whatever I want. People please.
So why you come for your Pickney and care Pickney and people please? You should have come for him and care for your own place. But guess what? Long and short time story. Let me tell you something. You see, few mother, she did struggle with me. You hear? So I feel time to struggle with your Pickney. And that me I tell you.
Marika, no, what I know before you go away. Listen. Me I struggle with Kayla. Like really? No sis, seriously?
And then me, when time
You know,
whatever you have to take me, mommy never did it, you know.
You know, give me no justice towards Kayla if you have manners, you know. Kayla if you have manners to me and respect your stepfather. That man will do anything for Kayla.
But me not say nothing wrong. Did I say something wrong? Yes, she's supposed to respect you and she's supposed to respect her stepfather.
No, you know,
but you have to give her a little time to get to know you more. Spend some daughterly time. Take her go walk with her, carry her go beach, carry her go somewhere make she enjoy herself. You have her lock up in a house. House now go help you situation. That me I tell you. You understand? Sis, when you remember say your sister straightforward. Me not go grow no bush. Me just have to tell you as it is. You understand? Me know Kayla no manners and no respect towards everybody. But you and our stepfather and me, we just have to do the fear. You understand? We just have to take the time with her because she done growth of proportion already. So just take it easy. I mean know how you're feeling and all of this. So why you look at me answer? I know say I'm upset about it, but I'm truth. And the truth will hurt, forever hurt. You understand?
My last word to you is talk to your niece.
Kayla, come here. Sis.
4 o'clock at the morning time you go in bed and wake up 1 o'clock at evening. I don't do nothing in the yard.
No.
Auntie! Let me see now. Alright.
Yeah. Knock it door. Good on there some water. Let me say something.
Alright.
Sis, you have to take it easy. You understand what I say? Relax yourself.
Yeah man, just do that one favor the phone.
Alright.
Yeah.
If me not come back, that means I'm gone home.
Yeah,
I'm done.
we call her.
Yeah, later.
Right.
Kayla. I'm happy to see you too, but I'm not happy with it. I'm not happy. Why you give your mother so much trouble, Kayla?
I'm not giving me no trouble.
But she said you don't have no manners, you don't have no respect to her, Kayla. I don't understand.
Me I respect to mommy. Mommy want to wake up me 1 o'clock in the morning to go buy food.
Buy food, so she not cook.
She don't cook, she only buy box food.
What? So she just wake up your bed just to go buy box food? No, that's not right.
Yeah, she wake up in the morning to go buy box food.
No, I don't agree with that. That's a totally slackness and foolish.
And then again, she all the time say she want to wake up yard, clean up bathroom.
For what?
I mean, I don't mess up them up a grandma, you know.
Me know.
A grandma do a little mess something there. Me not used to them a lifestyle.
By the time I wake up, everywhere
Slim,
clean
slim.
and you get a breakfast and everything. So when
Yeah.
so I carry down yourself to be made. Eh?
You don't know. She will make me do one bag of things in her yard. I'm not used to that. You know, you see that?
But I am mother still.
And she a beat me too. And mama no beat me to no broom.
Sure?
She beat me to a broom.
With which broom?
When she and her man attack. And she never say morning. She goes with the broom.
No let me.
I'll show you an example.
Should I carry broom?
Yeah.
Alright, me go back up there to her about that. But wait. Them I don't understand. Alright, but Kayla, I your mother. So you have to listen to what she say. You
Listen to what she say.
understand? Even though you're not used to certain things, but you have to get used to it. Because you don't live with mommy no more. And you live with your mother. But do what you can do. When you're tired, you cannot say you're tired and rest. But one thing you know what you do. You know when you get up a morning time and go up on road, go buy box food? No, that's not right. Get up and make breakfast and give you.
And then-
Cook food, give you.
And then again, she a shout out for me. And mama no shout out for me. Shout out for me. I like when she shout out for me.
And she behave like say you're a bad Pickney. You just kill her, not gonna lie. Mommy spoil you, you know. Actually, you're all the grand Pickney, you broke bad.
Oh, mama.
Mama, alright, she miss every time you talk about you.
Make mama send back for me. Come on, go back to home.
No, you have to stay with your mother. Remember, say mommy not so strong. You understand? She need help herself. She can't go take care of you right now.
No, me take care of her now.
I know say you take care of your granny. But you have to stay with your mother for some time. Get to know your mother, get her support. You understand?
Yeah.
Kayla, trust me. Me and auntie know how you feel. Because, let me tell you something you never know. You know, so my mother have me and your mother, right? But, mommy always choose your mother over me. So, me always feel like I black sheep. Me always feel like I outcast. No once they stay like you, know, Kayla, see me how you stay, you know. No have no manners. Do certain things just to make me feel. Me know say other things to make you feel comfortable and happy in yourself. But Kayla, look on me, give me a hand, my auntie. Look on me. You have to change. You have to change. Because me know want you come grow up and be like me. Want you be a better version of me. You understand?
Yes,
you
more
get
change.
too much things from me, Kayla. I don't want that.
Alright, now I'll change.
You do it for your auntie?
Yes.
And do it for grandma too. Yeah? I love her.
I don't cook no dumpling for me. But your fingernail I'm just long for.
You know, say mommy I do most I cooking. Alright, later.
Alright, and I'm gonna go to her body beat me for the broom.
Me go come back here.
Alright.
Alright, mama, later.
Where are we from so long? I say it's a kind of Easter holiday, you know, so you know, say downtown I go full up, you know.
I know, but I kinda feel tired.
Yeah, you see, you know, watch you, man. You know, if you do no work at night time, you know, okay? So when you have to get up, you know, get up. Get up, get up.
Tired, what the idiots.
Oh yeah, cause. So wait, say, I don't see bag you go get.
Yeah, just let me go get. Just let me go for my sister.
Baby, that tell me.
You know, so I came in the car, I should talk to her.
I see your niece.
Yeah, my niece.
Auntie your niece.
She said she don't have no manners. Like, when you would have wake up and pick me early in the morning to go buy breakfast for you and then say she don't have no manners.
But babe, no, I'm daughter, so like, you're supposed to wake her up out her bed anytime to go buy something.
For go buy food.
Of
When
course.
time you forget in the kitchen go cook breakfast to your Pickney?
So, alright, babe, let me ask you one question. So, every morning you get up, you want to look for breakfast. Sometimes you know, just want to do something fast, like get for fast food. And every morning, post you never in the mood, say, look for breakfast.
Whatever. But another thing, she want blame mommy like say mommy spoil Kayla.
I mean you want blame her.
Like
She
has say Kayla nah no manners because of mommy. So she want blame everything for mommy.
Babe, if you tell her the truth, Kayla must listen to her mother. Her mother, so she have to have respect to her mother.
Yeah, I know, so she
Remember
have respect.
me normally see Kayla 1 and 2 times. When she the upper Mandeville, me never see Kayla normally have the attitude. Yes, me, but me no know, people change. Me no really see her like that from she there down here with her mother. But so me no really, me a man no really, you know?
Yeah.
So me no know about that the attitude. But if a Sophia behave, she have to have respect for her mother. She can't be so because you know, say my youth can never deal with me so.
No, but
you know me no pet Pickney. And you can pet him and make him feel like say if you do wrong. Me no agree with that.
Me know that. But you can't just come in like somebody's life and feel like it must change. Then pass life like put her. You have to give her time to get to know her. Get to know a little girl. You don't know nothing about Kayla or whatever.
So she push her out?
Yeah, she push her out, but she did it for her.
So what she did there, babe?
What she did there?
Me no know your sister, you fi tell
My
me.
sister did gone left Kayla from Kayla.
Gone where?
Gone live with man.
An hour.
And I left Kayla with my mother.
So when I time you need to say I work, your sister work.
Then you know they work and live with man.
So you know mind her say me.
When you feel like if you send one look of money come give Kayla.
But that is something and I like she not do anything. But listen, me no really.
Yeah, that is something, you know. But another thing, Pickney want attention from them parents.
Yeah, you're right there so. But listen, babe. Me not say me no want to hear what you say. But me realize that me I talk to you. Me know you love your niece. Me I talk to you, I tell you about your niece, and it's like you kinda me realize you kinda the over on fear side, but
They're not over side for the family.
No, you have to split justice.
Yeah, me split justice.
Well anyway, you know say you can't ramp with me so with my youth, you know.
But you know
if ain't wrong, ain't wrong. You understand? So just get the bag. See it there? You love bakes. Get the bag and come back. Come on, go on the road. So get the bag and come back.
So we can buy something for you.
Yeah, buy something. But you know, just not pass it, you pass the limit.
Alright.
And then we'll eat the money.
Where do the money?
What do you do?
Alright then, later.
I'm going to go around the light.
Alright.
Kayla.
Yes, mommy.
Oh, you're trying up a room. So, what make you can't get up some money in time and straighten up a place? Eh? I fix the curtain when you finish. And when you're done, just rake up out the door.
Rake up here 2 days ago.
2 days ago, 2 days ago. Today, no. Want yeah, for rake up. Today.
But we can rake up here later. Rake up later. When the sun cool down.
When the sun cool down? Kayla, why every time I talk to you, Kayla, you have something to say, or you have backhands, or your phones, or something, or you ignore me?
No, I don't know. No, I just simple say, make up here 2 days ago. I never expect to wake up back now.
Alright, so when you're done spray away, you wash the plate then?
Huh?
Yeah. And then you wake up here later.
No, me want to do so much work. I'm not used to them my life here.
So you wake up here, then you used to them the life there. So where did you turn do?
Eat, sleep.
Well, watch out, turn and yes are different. Yeah, turn, west and west. Yeah.
No, mommy, me can't do so much work. I'm sorry.
Don't talk to you, Kayla. Don't me
Sorry.
done.
If I want to work me out, me no work really. Mama nearly work me so hard.
Mommy, no, mommy, me not tell us I'm not get through with the tax office. Me tell us I have to go back down there. Me understand say you want the car for license and insure and go up on the road where you can help out me. Me I go back down there, mommy. Mommy, what me I tell you life for? No man, me I go deal with the money. As soon as my license insure, me just send you the receipt, everything, license plate, everything, me I go send everything. So you can see say how me deal with it. Shan in a room, man. You see me in a room, maybe in a room in daughter or something. Cause me just come out from the front to get some fresh air. I try to calm my brain or something. Oh, you go send the money for me next week. Alright, mommy. Yeah, man. Thanks. Alright, hold on. I love you later. No, mommy, hold on. Shania. Hold on. Mommy wants to say hi to you, mommy.
Yes, Mom. Hi. Yeah, me there. You alright? Yeah. Everything alright, man. Yeah, so good. Yes, Mom. Yeah, make sure I eat right and something. Yeah. Are you the rich one?
Mommy, a flow,
Yeah, me did catch a flu, yes, and me have some medication to buy.
And you give me flu, mommy.
Oh, so I go send it when I send for you. Oh, alright then.
Mommy,
Mom, see me here.
Yeah, mommy. Yeah, man, you catch a flu, man. You look dirty flu and you might give me it too. Alright. Yeah, man. No send, eh? You have to send more money, you know, mommy. No send, me and him can get the same amount, you know. Alright, love you. Alright.
You know, say a tip. I can't scam no one.
You don't scam me, I scam him. You didn't have a flu and you always flu gone.
Yeah, but you tell him about for
but
me.
But you have a flu, yes or no?
Yeah, baby.
Then me not tell him lie. You have a flu, you're going to go away. Yeah. You don't want the money?
Then no money.
And you give me half a fear.
No, you get fear. Anyways. I can't let me come to complain. Me not spoil it. No, wait, no. Me not spoil it. Me not try to spoil it. I'm going to make me laugh while I go. You're funny?
Babe, me funny?
Yeah.
No, I'm funny. Me not funny, but I'm funny when it come to you. I'm a tough fuck, I'm a clock.
Anyways, babe, you're full of talk. Anyways, babe. Would you have it there and you're full of talk, man? Anyway, babe. Kayla.
Yes, every time you say Kayla, I have to take out my glass.
Kayla.
Where Kayla, I don't know.
Kayla, in your house, I put up in bed. And I tell Kayla, I said, sweep up here. Break up here, take up a look. Trash. Kayla, come with me to know say when sun cool, she not really. So I say, okay then, Kayla, when the sun cool, I go wash the plate them in me while I go in the kitchen there. She said, no, she not used to do so much things.
You know the whole fuck about a situation. And I say, I can't rough up Kayla, you know. I'm a stepfather. I'm not a father. You get me? I say, I know why you take it wrong, you know. If Kayla was my daughter, I'm matter of fact, Kayla wanna reach her so, and the tree can't bend. Kai want bend from me so. What do you matter of fact, babe? What do you your auntie, your sister, in a reason? What the whole situation about that? Can you even explain and tell me the situation?
She say my problem and my fault. Me Kayla still so I'm going.
So how that should be your
and
problem,
Kayla
babes?
never get love and Kayla this and Kayla that. She put that in a Kayla head for Kayla come stressing me.
Yo, you know the reason why I realize that Kayla gravitate to her that much? Because I'm not going to say I'm up on his side, but let me tell you what I feel like happen. I just feel like things when if you not say to Kayla, because remember, you know, Kayla can't wrong, you know. And maybe you show him saying wrong and he can't right and you show him saying wrong. But by any idea, Kayla growing, if you can't make Kayla understand, say, yo, you need to listen to your mother and your stepfather say. You get what I say?
I'm fed up, you know. I'm tired.
Bro, I don't think you're fed up like me, but you know what? You see, through my mother and my granny always tell me, say, so you love a person and believe in a person, just not give up on them. So that's the only thing that keep me up right now. That's the only thing that motivate me right now. A matter of fact, I don't promise you from what I said I'm going to talk to her.
Yeah,
so I think I'm going to talk to her. You see me, bro? Because there is no way people for make mistake, but not the same mistake over and over.
I don't need to talk to her.
So I'm different.
Alright, man.
Alright, where you look on you get black?
Yeah, me look like me I take off beard.
I must say when me know you, I never know when you have bleach. I know you're in black and I fall in love with you in black. So if you get black again, I still have a love you.
I know me color me I look on me. Me tell say look like me take off beard. Me look on me.
Take off beard?
Yes.
You know why I take off it, babes?
Why?
I want you to take off it since I have a look at dirty stinking flow, you know.
I know.
You soon put on back some weight, man. You see
I'm
me?
grown.
You have oil. You have a send care that shop and go drop it like it hot.
No, me that job. No, not today. That's all you're good for. Not today. Tomorrow.
Alright, later then, later.
Right. Hello, miss. You wash your plate then already?
Yes, my she play, mommy.
Oh, good. You see go be already?
No.
Cause when?
I'm just saying what she plays them that take a rest.
Okay. Hey, is still for go talk to me and go in.
Alright.
Kayla. How go on?
Yeah.
I'm really good. I'm not a real person when it comes to talking to a person or try to counsel a person, but I will try. You know, like a stepfather thing, but you know, I'm a stepfather. So I consider you as my daughter. Alright. You're how much?
I'm 17.
You're 17, so you're past level as a child, but to me and your mother, you're a child, but you're a big child. So these are the privilege, the moment, the time, like with anything up on your mind, when you want to get off, you can't get it off. But sometimes I know what you say, how you say it. So I just want to raise with you. Whatever you don't like down here, or what we don't do, what we're supposed to do, whether me or your mother, you can't say it. But sometimes I know what you say, how you say it. So first thing when you want to say, I don't think your body. But I know say you're stubborn. I don't think you don't like down here. I know you like down here, but the fact is because when you're at town, like you're going to do everything. If you wash, cook, well, I don't know if you be there still because you're a big girl. But the point of me I said, when you get over the whole situation with you, like you just want to lie down in a bed, watch TV, look on phone, eat, well maybe you go take your own dump. So I just that you want down here, wish you now go so. Because that you do a town. So correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, so me do that too. Mama make me do all the work. Yes, so I mean I like when I come down here, I'm here at work. I have to get up in the morning, every morning wash up plate, put up bed, and I wake up here.
Alright, so you are going. You are going to say, me have a reply. Me have to say, you have a reply. Say something, me have a reply. And before me say nothing, sometimes I hate you, but not hate you. Sometimes I just hate your ways. But don't yourself, always I go love you. Not because of your mother and your mother in a relationship. Love you because of you. Because me not your level is stubborn. But when me I say now, you see like you not talk town, you go to school and now. Be honest, you see one boy who you like?
No?
A boy. Be a boy. At school, you see a boy you like? You see one friend who you like a girlfriend, social friend? Yes or no? Like your friend?
Yeah.
Okay. So look on your way now. If you see a friend who you like, but put it a one boy, so maybe say one boy and the next 10 years, you and that boy fall in love, live a house, you see me, and decide to start a family. Oh, you are going to be a wife, wish you're a wife, but oh, you're going to be a perfect wife. If you can't sweep up yard, you can't wash plate, you can't wash the antenna them and the pant, and you can't provide food for him eat, you're not going to be a good wife. You're going to be a good wife, cute, nice and sexy. But by any idea, the man will find somebody out there on his side who can cook and clean for him. So in the next 3-4 years, you have to lose a good husband because you can't do certain things. So you're not that town now, you're that country. Because when you're that town, you're going to do all of them things for you. So we there, so now I tell you to do them things. As a child, it will look like we are overwork you. But we are prepare you for in the future. For when you are in the levels like your mother. So, what do you think about that?
That is true.
That is true.
But take my mommy, I'm going to lose in the next 3 years from now.
Maybe you're right, you know. Maybe you're wrong. but hope so you're wrong. But you see, respect and love when me have for your mother and what she have for me, I don't think she ever lose me. Feel like we are all and great together.
And that's what I'm saying.
Why you say that?
Because you say, me have my husband, if you wash, cook, clean. Me wash the plate, me clean, me wake up the yard.
Yeah.
Why me not do that?
No, she not do that no more because she a teach you to do it because she can do it already. We she have a pine because if she never do it, maybe she want to lose me. But because she can do it and now she a teach you to do it.
Oh.
Isn't it? And you what, as what me said, I just stubborn, I know the reason why. But deep inside, I just feel like as a stepfather, I wish I like the stepfather thing. I feel like you're a good person. You see me? You just want to have your own way. And it's like you're not going to have your own way. When you have your own way, and when you have somebody, as a son, daughter, don't do that. You see me? And the time I will come. But now maybe I feel like we are overact as a parents. But when the time coming up big like your mother and me, I realize that we're right. But now I don't give it right or I don't get wrong. I just tell you, say, watch out now. All the way you do, just try your best to do the right thing. And I feel like if you do the right thing and you fail, nobody feel like we will hate you. We just have a mix maybe for a minute or a second. Because nobody not perfect. Only Jesus Christ.
Alright, me go try to change. And do some things better.
Yeah, you try. Not do it, just try.
I try.
You see me? And regardless, I tell the mother, say, whether you do it and you not do it good, still have a respect and still have a love you. But just try from your heart. You know, like when your mother come to me and I tell me, say, I'm in an argument. You're a big girl, you know?
And you know other thing too. Mommy not give me good money. Say say me there town now.
Yeah.
With mama can go buy ice cream. Mommy no do that. Mama spend quality time with me. We have girls talk and sit and talk about the future and stuff.
So yes, then your mother not really have a girl's talk.
No, she just changed me in the house. And auntie can go KFC. Mommy never can go KFC.
Alright, you are going, you're right on certain things. Really not see your mother care out of your child. You know, care your auntie care of KFC. Because your auntie love you and respect you. But that not say mommy not love you and respect you. So you're right on that. That's why I'm telling you, we have a big people talk. So now talk to your man make sure can bring you. If you want to have KFC or ice cream.
Yeah.
And maybe things can look a bit better, you see me? And maybe some of the time you can bring you out. We don't know. Just bring out the same day, you see me?
Alright.
So if we now do something, what we do, we have to start do something where things can change or whatever we can do good, you see me?
Yeah.
That good?
Yes.
You have anything else you want to talk about?
Yeah. Tell mom to take short that she loves short.
Alright, you're right, you know. But it takes two to make an argument. Because sometimes in my room, and your mommy tell you to do something and you're back on side. So you don't have we call it a flaw or a fault. So because you wanna do what you said to do in a show. So you wrong and him wrong. So when I talk to you, I go talk to she.
Alright.
You good with that?
Yeah.
Alright, G.
Alright.
So what your mother tell you to do?
Look up here.
Break up your yard. Where else are you from, morning?
Probably don't look with me.
Yo, I want to come and respect you for you understand when me talk about.
Yeah.
Me go break up your yard for you.
Alright, thanks.
What you will give me for that?
Change.
Chain, just give me a hug.
Alright.
You know this. Because you can't break your yard like a pretty boy.
Alright.
Alright.
Grandma.
Yes, ma'am.
Not me there, you good?
Good, you?
Yeah, I'm there. I have to check up on you to see if you're alright.
Okay.
Because auntie tell me say you feel ill.
Oh.
Yeah.
She good now, man.
Alright. So I said, Mama, me can't wait for come back home.
Yeah, what happens?
Cause me not like how mommy a go on. Mommy want wake up me 10 o'clock. Fi get up and come out of bed. Go buy food and wake up yard and this. Now me not used to them there's something there, no mama. And she ever they walk me out.
So what you decide to do?
Sometimes me give him face to chat. I don't listen to her. Me say sometimes me give her face to chat. Yes, cause and then one time mama she leave me out a broom, mama. Oh, you there on the road, mama?
One now. The boy.
Yes, mama. So sometimes I give her a face to chat. Yes.
So why you get a face to chat?
Cause she a work me out. She a want wake up me for do too much things. Me a fear wake up yard and things. I mean I used to them the life here. When me up a yard, you know, me must say you do all of that. And she come walk me out.
Really? So what you decide to do?
I don't know. You can't talk to her. Make she tell me to come back home.
So the talk to her and tell her she make her come back home.
Yes, call her and tell her to make me come back home.
So you sure she don't agree with that?
No, yes, mama, you have to talk to her. Convince her, mama. I want to come back home.
Alright, we don't call her.
Alright, later. Love you, mama.
Yes, come to food, darling.
Yeah. Mama come like her ears now working out.
Watch your mommy a call me. Yeah, mommy. What?
Mom, me there.
You alright? Yeah, me alright. Me did a call all ago, but it has a call hole.
Okay. You the phone call.
Oh. So you don't know, say the one Kayla, your grand Pickney. How we are doing? How we are doing to him up there? Come now, put in no manners, you know. In call her friend, in come down.
Yes, she called me.
Call her and me complain.
So
When tell her say? Tell me when tell her say.
tell me see what I think about that things and yeah, the cussing and go on bad.
Lie, mommy. Me no cuss the little girl. Me tell the little girl say. Me a provider, me a free work and something. So me tell her say, come off of the phone at night time, cause I be at 4 o'clock. She come off her phone and she not wake up till 1, 2 o'clock the next day. She lay down in her bed. So one of them there, she carry one friend come and then nasty up the bathroom and wake up the little girl and tell her say, buy one breakfast to me and come tidy up her room and clean up the bathroom. So she don't feel like do that and have kiss teeth and have front, so she not go buy no food. Yeah. And I'll tell me to know so she don't feel like sweep up yard.
Yeah, that's what she's going to do.
Right. You need to talk to your grand Pickney.
So which one should I know?
She dey out of the front of the yard out there so. Kayla! I'm go for yard. Kayla!
Yes, mommy.
Come. Your grandmother want to talk to you. Come for your phone. Cause you know no manners. Boy, you call her me complain. What is?
Yes, mama.
You don't tell me say there's something you're going with.
Where you going with mama?
You're free to tell me, you know. You're free to tell me that. You didn't with her now, so she have to do what you have to do. You have to do what you have to do. You know, your mother now say, you know, what you have to do, and be yourself.
Talk up to your grandmother.
Yes, grandma.
Right.
Do what you have to do and listen to her. She don't know say have to do what she tell her to do.
Yes, mama. Me I listen to her.
Yeah. You hear?
Yes, no be mama.
Yes. Alright, now take care of yourself now.
Yes.
Me not the kid.
Alright.
Alright, mama.
Yes, alright.
Why you can't make me Ivan's mother and daughter? Why?
Come in when you start get up a mind and do so much.
You have to do things as a lady. You want man to use it, Kayla. Man to use it, no?
No man not use you.
Because me know what to do already.
Oh.
You have to tidy, and they say cleanliness is a part of godliness, so you have to keep up to your house chores.
Alright.
Right. Thanks. See that? If you make me live good.
Alright, you can buy me ice cream.
You want ice cream?
Yes.
I'm gonna give money with me to get my ice cream. Oh yeah. We're going to give it to you.
Oh, I can take it to me.
Right.
Babes,
Yeah.
where you go? Oh, I'm here.
Yeah, look for Kayla.
So I'm Kayla last one, Kayla.
Buy ice cream all along now, I'm not seeing.
You say I go buy ice cream or you send him out? You should not do.
No, me say one ice cream and me give me money.
Where you going? Run a big Zara
No,
and me.
where you go?
Cause me I come from up so I not see him on the road.
I hear me a look.
So maybe around saying gone then.
Maybe I walk with them there to go look if you see you.
Yeah, I'm follow you alright.
Come on.
Alright, you are. Hold on, your sister that come. Yeah man, I'm puppy done. Alright, you have one. Cause a long time I not see puppy done. Go on, cause I just feel like I shop around the same one. If anything you call me here. Yo, oh.
Yes, sis, me I walk around and say, cause me did talk to mommy and something and certain things we second but me did kill her money if you go buy ice cream, so me I walk go look for.
Oh, alright.
So you're a good sister-in-law?
Yeah bro, I'm a good man.
Alright, big up
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Man, miserable feel. Right, pretty bro.
Yeah, general, everything good?
Yeah man, respect man.
Yeah, man.
But one more.
Long time I don't see you, man.
You alright? Look like you don't feel that good.
Be here,
I feel like 100.
Yeah, yeah, I beg you 1 5 minutes. I go read it in the break.
Am I doing it hungry?
No man, you feel look pale though. Alright, big up yourself, you live man, here.
Just get the pin, I come meet and I read it in the break. Here.
Why pray?
Long time I don't see man like
Yeah,
that.
my father man.
Where are you dealing?
So come off our front and just see a second dog. Come off our front cause you know, I don't really have a front appearance, you know, cause I'm not that cute, you know. Yeah, but,
Yeah,
you know,
easy, you know.
I'm not that ugly too.
So where you going on with?
Yeah, that, yo, I say me fasting, but I want to mama, you shoot him.
Watch me, man. I eat more look boat.
No man, look,
All you hope I hit.
looking at my face. You see me? Alright,
Me I see you, man.
Yeah, woman, you look like you shoot him. Yeah.
Yeah, I work
You
for
look
him and I
pale.
tell you say I eat me a look boat. You get it?
Long time.
Yeah.
I look.
Yeah.
You look about it, you know. Come like when you run up and down, you know. So I pray.
Yeah, from when you reason with me and me I tell you say.
How mama say look like?
Nah, man, I say I go look for in that, you know.
She makes show me not forward, man. But I show me see her and me and raise a long time. So I was
From
poor.
when you tell me say, oh, you're going to make the car license not insurance and you link me when I can drive and you don't link me back. Ready to give somebody the car?
Yes, sir.
The car, man, when you say your mother your license need
What you say about drive?
No, make me drive and run a taxi. Oh, go on.
But we don't know, so friend and business are mixed, you know.
So me not go carry any money? Where you think me go do now?
No, you say you want to drive it, so me have to find out what I go on.
Me not go grow on your business. Remember say me have birthday like that, you know, man. Me not go grow on your business, man.
Okay. Yeah, well, if you want to drive, you can carry any money.
Yeah, me done raise up on you
So how much
already.
MP a week time, red plate, on car tax?
7,000. I joke with it, man. How much you normally paying? Around how much? 20 me no know.
7,000, but what on it? They're not 10,000 and 8,000 by me when you buy taxi.
Yeah, bike taxi. That's why me I
So
say
bike
car
taxi
taxi.
there and car taxi?
No, car taxi there.
No, but you say 7,000.
Nah, man, I wrap me around, bro.
But I just tell us a friend and business not great.
Me don't want you. Me say that I know you feel like me I go ramp with the money, you know.
Cause my mother not trust me already when it come to money, you know.
Boy, more do trust nobody with money still neither. So my bad, that's why you not gonna trust me if you give me a car still.
Yo, what going on now? Yo, want to your youth? Cause last time you read, you tell me say,
You know,
you
say.
love your youth and sitting, you know, but mama always a try to go on like you want to spoil the youth and sitting. Where you there?
Yeah, always want. Yeah, man, in there by auntie and then there by Easter holiday.
Holiday.
If you come back down, come say school I go reopen on Monday. If you forward back down, you see me so. One bill off look like free time, cause you know when you forward back down, you know.
Cause the reason why I'm still in a dog. Sorry if you call the dog. Me G. Me dog. Oh, sorry about the dog thing. Me general, that better.
Puppy, my name, so you have them both have to call me.
Oh, puppy.
Alright, you can't start calling me dog now, because I get well bigger now, so you know
Yeah,
you go make
yeah,
me pass
big dog.
the
Yeah.
puppy level.
But on a big man level now, you know me, I'm a little stepdaughter there. Well, I'm a local stepdaughter,
Yeah, okay,
but a big stepdaughter. But you know, bro, like when we have grew up in unruly and we get trouble, but yo, you stubborn, you know.
You know, so me hear my woman talk about it, but if you hear my woman talk about it, you know, like my woman would have mostly a work on fear side. It was some time I have to tell her, say, you want to ramp with me. Because you have to know, say, you can't grow my youth side.
I like how you told them gravitate, but I feel like them gravitate too much. Like, you know, does that me feel like. But differently, I'm good looking girl still, I'm telling me feel like that. I just feel like up a town, the granny does. More say spoiling, but over love. Where, you know, making do certain things. And she come down and wanna do them things there. It's like that kind of getting a chip. Well, me and him have a raise over there still, and he kind of understand what me I say. And me kind of understand where she has, and most of the things where me I say, she realize I'm right. Few of the things where she has said, me realize that she right. So, I hope she have change still, because it's like, then so when I respect somebody, I love somebody, if you don't give up on them, you see me?
True,
Yeah,
really
bro. And your mother so got you a lot.
I don't give up on my woman still, because some of the time she go on like she just want to treat a little bit. She overdo things.
So long, you know, say me fast. So she have vomit?
Yo, me I go reason. Me just remember say, Mama walk, so me I go shout. Me I link up on the bird.
No.
Me I link up on the bird. Me I link up on.
Puppy that I tell you me fast.
I look up.
That's crazy. You tell me say breed the boy, breed the woman again. Someone a shooter. And me I want stepfather one burner. Me not shoot nobody. Who does that? God, our mama them want to go fire one shot. Our beams man I say him take long to forward, man. Are you just have to look fire now? You want to do something wrong?
Nothing wrong.
So your face hangs up. Kill one here.
Mommy, I come to go buy ice cream and get long. We
So
need to
you
talk to my friend.
You know your friend not talk to?
Yeah,
You see your friend we know you have?
Yeah.
Kayla, no, come meet my little girl. I don't have to tell about the little girl, because you know about the little girl. Talk to she about the little girl. Kayla, yeah, my daughter, I love her. You know why you have them my friend there. See a stepfather, and we can tell about them people. Like, tell her how much she feel like.
You ain't talk to her about the same little girl already? The Kayla as our friend?
From the day she come dirty up my bathroom, Tim they talk to him, tell him.
You are babe. I not go rush him, because you are going.
No, I never say for rush him. I said tell him about
every
them
problem
girl.
we create, I want different problem. And I want problem when I create why I see him problem. Kayla, you are going now. Your mother and me, we not say you can't have a friend.
No, that me for you.
You get what I say, but
Yeah.
here with me, you want you to having a friend. Me know you want bright little girl, me sure of that. You see me? Your book talk, your grade talk, your school you go talk. But if you have a look a friend, you have a look a friend brighter than you, we can help you with what you don't know. Down.
Yes.
So if you have a look a friend, don't look a friend with you suck out your energy or drain your energy. The point of me I say, me don't know if you hear and I go on like you don't hear. The friend where you have, bro, everybody in the street, you know, half gossip. But one of us near gossip, everybody in the street, same have more than one man. She not, much time you tell them mother she don't come to school. And your parents ain't give money.
Money for time, but
Right, so basically she not go to school, I'm taking up mother lunch money. Where she a go?
we don't know.
You're bright. So the point where I say try to look at friends to motivate you.
Hello? Wrong number.
Hello. Who is this? Jay. So you call me that wrong number?
How
A wrong number.
How babes?
Somebody calling phone. This is Jay. Hello. Who this? Jay. Wrong number.
So your person say wrong number?
See a wrong number. When somebody said to you,
Them ask you
You know the person?
Pauline. No. You
I
know
can't
I
wrong
don't
number
think
for two
see
babes. You
him.
have to just give me benefit of the doubt.
remember when I go selling go buy ice cream, you have to walk go look for him when you in there so long. And all of a sudden number I call him a wrong number.
So, you have a point, you know, but you want to say, you know, I am boyfriend or somebody
Where
you talk to call him.
Me not meet nobody down here, mommy. I wrong number for true. Your number don't save.
Kayla, me and your mother there, so a wrong number call you?
Yes, a wrong number.
I try to believe in me.
Alright. Yeah. You want know. Listen. You remember what you me and you talk, you say you know I'm going away, we not say no going away.
Yeah.
So me and your mother decide say want make you go downtown, go get fee, maybe what you want to have downtown. Ice cream, burger you want to have. So me and your mother not decide to send you downtown. But basically your mother say no, as somebody want to call you, as a wrong number, we should a wrong number. So it's a wrong number call you?
Yeah, a wrong number.
So we all get benefit of the doubt, say okay, can I believe you then?
Yeah.
You see me? So if me put my trust in you and you break my trust, then I know my fault or your fault.
Stop go through that, come on, but I send him nowhere alone. Anyway, they go me and him go. Yeah.
You don't look up at me again.
Babes, listen, shh. Babes, come here. Babes, you hear me I say? You hear me I say? I say she have to be we have to start.
don't want nobody calling can go kill him.
Right, you know, babes, you're right.
You know nobody can go analyze him. What me go do?
Babes, listen.
I'm a belly clean, you know.
Babes, you have to start learn to trust him. Learn to make him take a step.
Suppose one time I trust him, somebody taking time away.
You know if you pray down.
Of course, me know if I
Pray
pray.
no man. We will keep him when you reach it. We will keep him in the house. No, look into it, you know. When
You
you
have a
reach it,
pipe, but me know I lose my daughter.
you're not going to lose him. Just believe in a way. We will give him an hour if you hour now. Listen. Here?
Right.
Alright. Your mother now wants to send you, right?
Yeah.
So basically, me talk to your mother. So you'll get an hour, hour and a half. Just go down in the town, go buy what you want to buy and enjoy
I'll come
yourself.
back.
Yeah.
So we have put your trust in you, so now let you down.
Alright.
You see me? So basically you have to go change and something. So
Beard first.
Like now go on the road in a them day, you say I have a beard.
have to change.
Change.
Me and your mother said, go change. So as we say, we have to send you, say we not send out you. So basically we have to trust you and send you guys.
B, me not even send him today. I know today or tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, say I can go in, go relax down.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Wow.
No more talking.
Oh God. Family I go stress me. Pickney I go stress me, woman I go stress me. Hey, I want thing I can tell you, if you don't love a person, I love your family. You come with everything, stress, pain, every damn thing you come with.
We stepfather house here. B,
I will stepfather do. Wow.
B, you know do that. Me I go pay a light bill. And Kayla say you ready if you go buy him burger.
And today?
When me buy for today, yeah. Remember yesterday me did tell you say me want me king go today. And you say I give you 1 hour.
Come like everything clog up in my head.
But you don't stop sister say
You know when you have a car and you not drive, say hi, clog up. I got to reach me, I don't remember nothing. But you don't give money already?
if you buy a roll on and me I go pay light bill and internet.
I know I walk with bag and money in there.
You know what I'm doing?
I don't know, put that palm on your hand here.
Thank you.
Me I go downtown. Me and him I go downtown. Me and him I go downtown, but make sure. And you are give me time, you know, I like bill, me I go pay no.
You can't give me 1.5 hour.
Are you gonna give me?
You give me favor money already?
Yeah, me give you.
Alright, look here, this is how much left up outside the money we give. If you want, you have money for me.
Okay, what are 1,500 beads? What is 1,500? Kayla,
You know, say if you care about, say if you want care about.
use it, use it.
Why, Father God. Look, and all it that all on him, Mother Lord God. Jesus Christ, Father God, them cute him. Well, me bless. You know, say, me will call Babes, no, me will text Babes and tell him to like, okay, like, gone. Because from what we not do nothing if you come in quick, we don't want to go see. Mommy, Me just see your message, that's why I call her back. Yeah. You send the money?
Sean!
Okay, you send the money. Alright, I'll pick up it. Hold on, mommy. Yeah, sit forward now, she not there. Mommy, me I call her back.
Oh,
girlfriend sister country. Alright, love you, here. Yeah man, as me pick up you, me call her back, here. Alright.
So Kayla not there now?
Why pray?
Yeah.
You know, so your sister not there? And your niece.
Very nice.
Basically, your niece, she gonna get something to eat with an ice cream burger. I know she want to give her money because basically, I don't even know what the reason why yeah. Basically, she has said some things where it makes sense. And to me, I feel like she has come around, look at it. So she has said, find him there, you bring him out of KFC. Your mother never bring him out. Or she never go out by herself. So me decide me and my mother say, I have to give him an hour and a half to find something in her town. You know.
Okay.
So she gone, her mother gone about for her business, music. Maybe she soon coming out. But you don't say me want to talk to you from what you but because what you want to see you, she say you never feel good. Because basically I know the lady now that I hear sister tell me say you don't even have a reason. For some situation the last time when I come here.
Oh, when we did that about
Yeah, Kayla.
Kayla.
Well, you say most of the things what you say right, but most of the things like what you say. Like I know what you say, or how you say it and she feel away.
But me apologize for that the same day. I say, I don't want to feel no way with what me I say, but I truth and the truth always hurt.
Well, basically I don't like him vex nothing and share it with me. You see me? So me want to talk to you, not only on that, but the fact is, me know say oh yeah your sister, they really have a good relationship like when you know I grew up. Cause basically I don't know if I'm sure you have to correct me. Me hear say like your mother always show your sister
More love than me.
right.
Yes.
You get me I say. So basically I know it's like what your sister tell me say basically the reason why you and Kayla like maybe spirit take or you rate her or like her that much like you can't understand cause maybe love you never get from your mother. You just out there do some wrong things and you realize so me never true. So when me want to say I know bro, on Kayla behalf, you're not easy for me, you know, and you're not easy for she. And you know, me have to give you respect, because you play a role, Kayla like you. You see me, so it's not easy for me, because if never want to step forward, rate Kayla and like him, but I'm gone and time, and you know that.
Me understand, man.
You see me, but when me I say bro, yo, I kind of like the fact that you and your sister come on, I don't want to spoil that. Because if him sad, me sad. And they will break down the relationship with Kayla. You see me, I love that me I say.
That good man made anything just to make me feel happy and comfortable. So, as I said in Ghana, I told me something really not yes to do so. Me hear what you have to say and I understand everything. So later we go myself.
So you feel better because when you say like you never feel good, you feel better?
I don't feel better, I'm just still tired and feel like
So-
I didn't catch through.
Alright, thanks for listening man. You can't tell him say me a reason because I tell him see him. You can't hide nothing from me, you see me? Alright, big up it down for me here.
Yeah, man, maybe
You
give
want
him
to
up again.
respect.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Alright. But when you have a sister-in-law, you understand boy.
You just like play with me sometimes.
I want me to feel again, babe.
Oh, you take care of place, you know, you're
Babes,
responsible and
me no do.
you know, hungry and Kayla not hungry.
Babes, the same thing when I do for you, you do it for me. You be a woman in my life, in the house. Me be a man in your life and in the house. Basically, when you claim to me do, me I love you, me I treat you right. Although sometimes we argue, well, we not really fight. I just do what a man supposed to do. Loving woman, did it for woman. Did it for woman that and okay, the tribulation we go through. So, thanks for make me feel like me I do something already. And basically, me have a proud of you too, cause all the tribulation where you go through your daughter, like, you're overcoming and be able to come like she a change look a bit.
Yeah, she a change. Be our time. Our time.
Time. Babes, have a 7 now.
Okay, no. 3 oh no, can
Jesus Christ.
hold on there.
Call him. Father God.
Hold on there, I'm calling.
Babes, hurry up, hurry up now.
Yeah, no. Tell you. And you been one who want me tell you. I saw.
You get him?
Phone a ring. Here.
No,
You have been redirected.
Babes, call the sister. Call the sister and save me up. Call the sister.
You see it? Me tell her say the number never no wrong number.
Babes, number
And you
that's...
give her 1 hour.
Babes, number that start with that
And you
word.
see it? It's
Carry.
friend. You see friend. We didn't know anything my spirit tell me if you don't hear go so. If you don't go so, you need go so.
Babes, you not sure if a man in gone with. Suppose he can't get no drive.
So, drive! In a town, so ever active. Here.
Father God, Jesus Christ. Babes, come on.
You try go look for it. Me not even kill up myself.
Come on, man.
Me tired.
Where you cuss
I'm
about?
fed up, me fed up.
Where you fed up about? You make argument. Go
Me
look
didn't
for
tell her
you.
say me and him go. But no. You want give girl freedom. You want give girl freedom. Eh?
You don't even know what happened, you cuss. Come
Me
on.
not business what happen. Me not business.
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching Coloring Book TV. For the people and only for the people. And people, please do remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend about Coloring Book TV because they are going to put in the work. You understand? I want to big up the whole of St. Mary side. You know I go 1 St. Mary. And big up Neil Reid. Big up yourself general. Other day meet Coloring Book in the town. I say big up. You understand? The whole of Galliville side. Big up. You understand? Big up the whole of 14 parish. You understand? And people, please do remember with the promotion. If you want to promote your business, contact the number on the screen. You understand? 799-2758. That number is business only. So if you have a business where you want to promote, you understand, a clothes store, anything, you contact that number. And people, that number also with the photography work. You understand? So we take pictures, you understand, with the wedding. So you can contact the number on the screen for any business, as I say. So big up on yourself. And people, they are going to put in the work for no Coloring Book TV for the people, only for the people. One True World TV. Make sure you go subscribe. Tell a friend about True World TV. I'm out.